This is Mercuryo Wallet. It's used to buy and sell cryptocurrency in a few clicks. And this is Mercuryo Widget. It works both ways too. The widget doesn't allow scammers to make transactions with a stolen card. If the fraud happens, nevertheless, Mercuryo will take care of all the costs and proceedings. The widget's integration on the site is made in 2 simple steps. The first is the onboarding procedure. You need to provide a couple of documents, and Mercuryo will do the rest. The second is the widget integration in one of 2 ways, iframe or redirect. Mercuryo widget can be customized for any corporate design, like this, or even like this. It's hard to believe, but Mercuryo doesn't set a minimum amount fee. Doesn't include it in the cryptocurrency's exchange rate. And doesn't set different fees on fiat currencies. The widget's fee doesn't change because of the amount of purchase and sale. Mercuryo accepts data from verified users or can run KYC on its side. It takes no more than 5 minutes. The user needs to send a photo of his passport and make a video selfie. Mercuryo Personal Account allows you to customize the widget, set a fee in addition to the main one, view all transaction stats through the widget, and check the balance. You can buy and sell different crypto coins for different fiat currencies from anywhere in the world. Mercuryo. Try the widget now.